In the dynamic landscape of digital commerce, artificial intelligent affiliate marketing emerges as the beacon of innovation and prosperity. It's not just a tool. It's a game changer, reshaping the very fabric of how businesses connect with consumers and drive revenue. With AI, businesses transcend traditional marketing barriers, tapping into a world of predictive analytics and personalized engagement. Every click, every interaction becomes a data point, fueling AI algorithms to anticipate consumer needs and preferences with unparalleled accuracy. This predictive power isn't just about boosting sales. It's about building lasting relationships with customers, fostering loyalty, and maximizing lifetime value. Moreover, AI automation revolutionizes the affiliate marketing process, streamlining operations and freeing up valuable resources. Tasks like sales tracking, commission management, and performance monitoring become effortless, allowing businesses to focus on strategic initiatives and growth opportunities. The scalability and efficiency afforded by AI are nothing short of transformative, empowering businesses to expand their reach, penetrate new markets, and stay ahead of the competition. But perhaps the most inspiring aspect of AI-powered affiliate marketing is its capacity to turn dreams into reality. It levels the playing field, offering opportunities for businesses of all sizes to thrive in the digital realm. With AI as their ally, entrepreneurs and marketers can dare to dream bigger, aim higher, and achieve more than they ever thought possible. In the journey towards success, artificial intelligent affiliate marketing isn't just a tool. It's the fuel that propels businesses towards their brightest future.